close. 294 was the distance to beat, 11.4 miles per hour. You can see it on the speed board. Travis Shulo, you're playing hard to beat, buddy. 297 and 5-2. Let's let Travis hear a new leader. Put down by Dennis Butler and the priority B. Stand back and watch. Boy, that's a great run. Camera up, Weiler. That's your number 3 run. Beautiful run. Let's give him an extra special hand. Oh, by the way, new leader, 305 and change. And as the distance updated, it actually went to 306 and change. And Logan's distance, 328 and 91 with the Yankee Cranky Chevrolet. Tractor Sponsor International. By the time the distance settled in, 3:13 and 03. That is a new distance to beat. What a run, Craig Kovar. 3:07. That's turning out to be a really big number. Nobody within 7 feet of it. Troy Heiderscheid wants to change that. Oh, I don't know, folks. Steve Rogley, you're still hard to beat, though. 3:07 and change. Oh, by the way, Troy Heiderscheid, 3:09 and 73. There is your new leader. So you can watch those butterflies somewhere between 50 and 100 feet. They're going to roll back. Father's Day tomorrow. Now you got a gift you can get for Father's Day. Yeah, there you go. Jeff Ball, the Dr. Deere, 4-1 Limited Pro Stock. Oh, by the way, 3:06 and 7. There is your winner of the class right there, Jeff Ball, the Dr. Deere. The 4-1 Limited Pro Stock. Those 24.5 tires were fine. Hey, we're going to see. How we going to do, Tammy? Where are we headed? We're going to go over that direction. Hey! Oh, right catch. Here we go. Knoxville, Glenhaven. the whole town boy. He comes out. Well, let's look at the distances. 3:26 and 51 for Jason Klempe. Josh Folks taking chances. 1466 International. 3:20.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Some of them don't look very good printed actually.
Yeah, you got. It does a preview and it will show you.
Ryan Mueller. 4450 here. Called Bucky's Buck. There we go, 17.8 miles per hour, good speed, right under the speed. The distance to beat was 3:35 at the gate. The Bucky's Buck John Deere 4453.
Yeah.
When the track patrol brought the priority, John Deere to its knees at 3:19 and 97, 29.5 miles per hour. Dennis Butler, Osceola, Wisconsin. Eric Agee, the Yankee Cranky Chevrolet, Iowa, Wisconsin. Had closed on him. That's why you saw all sorts of light gray and almost a whitish exhaust. As a great Pat Holmes down the track, he's dozing through. Spoiler alert. Spoiler alert. 3:22 and 52, new leader. Wow.